Hello, welcome back to our channel again. In this video, I'm going to show you on a good remote position which is full-time, and this job really pays well. Although they didn't mention anything like that, but I will tell you how much salary you can make generally, and I will tell you a couple of keywords which will be really very helpful if you apply for this role, so that your resume will be get selected. You can use those keywords to building your resume. You don't need to do any other thing. So let's see the job details basically. So this job is offered by a company. It's called Muzio, and this is a tech company. They are very specialized in simplifying global ground transportation solution. Their mission is to make transportation more accessible and efficient for customers worldwide. The job role for this position is called customer support expert, and this is completely remote position, so you can work anywhere from the world or USA, whatever you want. They didn't mention whether you need to be USA or not, but they mentioned remote. So basically, you can work anywhere. Then this is a full-time role, so without any like going to office or traveling, you can work from home easily. And this is completely full-time, again I'm telling you. And what is the experience required? Let's see. So there are a couple of responsibilities are there. Basically these responsibilities are required when you will get the job. Basically you need to do this type of thing. So basically this is not very important thing right now, because you didn't get the job, right? So there is no point. You can check this thing, and based on that your resume you can make it, and you can understand what type of job you can do. But this is not mandatory for the beginning, because you need to understand whether you really get the job or not. If you don't able to apply for this role, or if you are not fit, then there is no point to discuss this thing basically. So that's why I'm going to skip this thing. But from this URL basically you can check from their website the job details. So now come to the requirement parts. So here they mention a lot of requirement, but the first thing is that here they at least 2 years of experience of customer support. They mention straight that you need 2 years experience, but based on my experience 2 years means basically this is entry level, so a little bit experience is fine. And here they mention couple of skills you need to understand. You need couple of skill sets like excellent communication skills in English, or additional language proficiency like Spanish, French, Italian, German, Chinese, or Portugal. This will be a great plus for you. Then experience I already discussed, and then laptop updates enough to support current web application, Gendesk, Google Suite, Slack. So some of the technology you need to understand. So Gendesk is one of them, then Google Suite and Slack. Okay, this thing you need to understand this thing. And basically you need to be proficient in customer support like operations. Then it is very then you are very good for this fit role basically. And backup computer, high speed Wi-Fi connection, backup computer. So this thing basically you need basically to start your career. But that is not important, but these are the requirement basically. Based on that they will actually call you and they will hire you. So now the salary part. This job they didn't mention anything like how much they will pay you. uh, but if you check carefully in United States through Glassdoor or some other like job tracking site or job site, basically you will easily understand for this type of role like customer support expert. The average yearly income is like 40,000 to 60,000 per year. So you can expect like 60,000 initially for this role. If you have some experience or little experience, then you can expect that much. And the benefits, this company has couple of benefits. Flexible as a contractor, this is very flexible for the contractor, and 4 paid weeks of per year. So they mention here straight that you will have like 4 paid weeks per each year. And now there is a apply now button. So you can click here to apply now. But before going to there, basically I'm going to share you a couple of keywords which might be helpful for you for building your resume, because using that thing basically you can be selected for this role. And these are right now like millions of people, not millions, like couple of hundred to 1,000 people they apply for this role. But how the like company will select that you are the perfect fit. So that's why you need to format your resume a little bit by using some keywords. So these are the keywords basically I found from this site and by googling basically. So this type of keywords you need to mention in your resume, then only you can get calls, or you will be like interviewed by this company, and then you will you will be hired. So these are the keywords basically. So these are basically like custom, like role specific, like customer success expert, then customer relationships, service standards. So basically you can put this keyword for your role, like, and then you can mention you have good communication skills, then customer support, then you know some languages like that, and efficient you respond very efficiently. So these keywords you can also use on your resume. And this is the tools and technology which you need to use. So you need to mention this thing in your resume also, like you are expert or you have some experience with Zendesk, Google Suite, Slack, web application. These are the things you need to mention. And the other thing, like, you need to use some of the action verbs. So these are the action verbs you need to use, like manage, responded, build, ensured, exceed, maintain, upheld, communicated. So whatever the responsibilities or role you will actually mention in your like resume, basically you need to use this type of action verb so that your resume will be selected. So that's it, guys. This is one of the remote position which I just discussed, and there are a couple of remote position which really pays well, and those are entry level and remote position. So I also discussed those things on my channel. So if you are interested, you can check the other videos on my channel. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next.